BMRN stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. This is pre-market, 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Especially with Biomarin Pharmaceuticals, I had this bearish idea where if I saw a double break, I was willing to take it down, and I saw the double break. And then pre-market is especially like right around where we closed. Now that's good because I would not like it if it reaches my break-even point, because then I'm gonna walk away with zero compared to just walking away with a win. But of course, no shit, everyone wants to win. For me, it's a bearish idea right now. Again, it's not forever. It's just that I saw this bearish range, saw the pump. I was like, I guess, still waiting for a double break to see it. Even though I got, I think, a good amount of freaking dislikes on that video and quite a little bit of a hate. But you know, when you stick to your rules and you're confident and grounded, then you know how things move. I mean, it's not that you know, it's just you let the data work, right? You just do your rules, freaking collect data, analyze that data, and then shift accordingly. Now, I've been doing this for funding for 5 years. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. I will continue to keep you updated. And listen, it's not financial advice, so please do your due diligence.